Good day. My name is Simbarashe Kandeo. I'm doing a Bachelor of Commerce Honours degree in Information Systems at Great Zimbabwe University. Well, my journey, my A-level journey, it was a bit difficult because I had challenges in accounting. So I managed to study hard, to do some lectures, some lessons. Mr. Mapanda at Merit Study Center. That's where I had some lessons. It was fine. If with God everything is possible. Hard work, that's key. That's major. If you don't study, not sakatika to shy. So basically, that's all I can say on this issue. On my A-level testimony, I had good results, and I'm enjoying university right now. So I say it's okay. Yes, it's okay. And no more problems or any challenges. Yes, for now. So I really want to thank God for Shalakanditi. I think that's all. Thank you.